The Secret of the Shadows. It was a bright, sunny day. Aisha and Tom were playing in the park. The sun was high in the sky, and everything looked very bright. "Look, Tom," said Aisha. "The trees have dark puddles underneath them." Tom ran over to the dark area. "It's not a puddle, Aisha," he laughed. "It's a shadow." Aisha stepped into the dark shape. It felt cool and nice. She looked up and saw that the thick leaves were blocking the sun's light from reaching the grass. Tom started to jump around on the path. "Look, my shadow follows me everywhere," he shouted. No matter how fast he ran or how high he jumped, his dark shape stayed right under him. "The sun's light can't go through my body," Tom realized. When they got home, the sun began to set and it started to get dark. "Let's find more shadows," Aisha suggested. Tom grabbed a big yellow flashlight from the drawer. "This will be our own little sun," he said with a grin. Tom turned on the flashlight and pointed it at the plain white wall. He put his hand right in front of the beam of light. "Look!" he cried. A big, dark hand appeared on the wall. A shadow is a dark area formed when light is blocked. Aisha wanted to try too. She wiggled her fingers and positioned her hands just right. Suddenly, a flapping bird appeared on the wall. Then she made a snapping crocodile. "Shadows can be any shape we want," she cheered. They began to experiment with their toys. A round ball made a round shadow on the wall. A square toy block made a square shadow. They learned that different objects make different shapes because they block the light in different ways. Then, Aisha picked up a clear glass cup. She held it in front of the flashlight, but the wall stayed bright. There was no dark shape. "Wait," she said. "Clear objects don't make shadows. That is because the light goes right through them instead of being blocked." Next, the two friends got busy with paper, scissors, and sticks. They cut out a tall dragon and a brave knight. Tom carefully taped each paper character onto a wooden stick. "It's time for the shadow puppet show," Tom announced. Behind a thin white sheet, they moved their puppets. The shadows of the dragon and the knight danced as they told a wonderful story. Shadows were the best magic of all. Subscribe to iGo Stories for more educational stories and hit the like button.